ForceWanted is a handheld force feedback device that helps to bring the virtual world closer to reality. Actually, ForceWanted is the improved version of Aeroplane. Parts that are completely designed in SolidWorks are divided into prefabricated components and 3D printed parts. Forces are provided by two jet propellers. Various amount of direction of torque can be generated by changing the spin velocity of each brush's model. Force direction can be changed in a 2D plane by a servo motor, and also it can be independent of hand situation. The system has no physical connection to external environment.